YouTube was good. It's your boy Paul Harris, aka Crazy Arthur. And if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that doggone subscribe button. Hit the notification bell every time I post up new content. Well, as usual, you got people out there that just feel like when they say something, they just feel like that it's like probably like the most spectacular thing known to man, and even myself included from time to time. But considering what happened with the Supreme Court, right, in this Texas abortion law, right, my whole thing is this, right? With all of the other birth control devices that are out there, whether it's birth control pills, whether it's a condom, abstinence, perhaps, right? You know, you really can't fault the state of Texas or any state for that matter if they actually really want to put a law like this in place. And as far as like what Bette Midler is talking about, uh, well, we gonna boycott. Okay, ain't nobody finna listen to your old ass. I know the fuck I ain't, right? Cause I'm just looking at it like this: if you young if you young or middle age and you still hot in the ass, right? Especially you young ones, right? If you hot in the ass, then you might want to either put like this: if your boyfriend ain't smart enough to do it, then you might want to doggone take it, take in consideration to actually really protect yourself. That way, you ain't got to worry about going to no doggone abortion clinic and all that kind of stuff because it's just like what I said earlier. With all of the other stuff that they got going on out there, they like I said, they got the birth control, they got the condoms, they got the diaphragm. Hell, they even got the morning. What is that? The morning after pill, right? I truly, honestly believe that a lot of people, right to this day, because I was reading something and they were talking about they talking about you ain't gonna know because I think the law is like anything past 6 weeks you can't abort. So then the average motherfucker talking about I ain't gonna know that I'm pregnant. Bitch, that's like almost that's damn near that's 2 weeks short of 2 months. You can't tell it then apparently you don't know your body like the hell you thought that you did. But y'all the same motherfuckers running around talking about the government can't tell me what the fuck to do with my body. And nine times out of 10, all the motherfuckers that was out there on the courthouse grounds yesterday, 9 times out of 10, they probably been vaccinated with the so-called COVID-19 vaccination shot. But they're like, but can't nobody tell you what the fuck to do with your body though. Okay, I got it. Fuck games as usual. All of this stuff. They, like I said earlier, apparently don't nobody actually really know what abortion is because if you actually really, because if you truly honestly uh, knew what the doggone definition of what abortion means, right? Then stuff like this, the state of Texas or any other state for that matter, wouldn't have to put laws in place of this magnitude, right? Because it's just like what I said. You're out there, you're young and you're hot in the ass, right? 9 times out of 10, your mama didn't teach you a damn thing, right? Probably put like this: you either trying to dress like your mama or your mama trying to dress like you. 9 times out of 10, that's probably the case. And so when you fuck around and get pregnant, then it's like, oh, I fucked up. Now I want to get a boy. No, wrong damn answer. Now I'm not gonna don't sit up here and be like, okay, well, are you pro-choice or pro-life or whatever the fuck that shit is? How about pro-common sense? Right? You know damn well you ain't ready for no child. Keep your drawers on and actually really wear some clothes that's worth a damn. Right? I mean, but this right here, this is nothing new under the sun. Right? Now I know what the fuck somebody gonna say. Well, what the fuck if I get raped? Hey, your motherfucking ass to the hospital and go get that doggone go get that cleared up. But then again, a lot of y'all are gonna be like, a lot of times, the motherfucker that actually really gets raped, and this is according to statistics. The person that does the raping 9 times out of 10, they already know the person. But see, but then again, what happens is that, okay, you sit up here and holler about, oh, he raped me. And 9 times out of 10, somebody caught feelings. Now you want to do that. Now you want to throw that rape charge in there, right? Or it's just for the simple fact that you don't want to, you don't want to tell it to begin with, right? So again, just like I said, as far as like the state of Texas goes with this abortion law, right? Shit, I'm all for it. Because it, just like what I said, it's too much other shit out there that you can do where both parties can be protected. Birth control. Use birth control, you raggedy motherfuckers. Just like I said, I always said this. I've always believed this. Anytime when higher ups got to get involved, 9 times out of 10, because the people that's at the lower part of the totem pole, right? They don't know what the fuck they're doing. And usually a lot of everybody that's on the pole, in some instances, don't nobody know what the fuck they're doing. Right? But every once in a while, that little thing called common sense comes into play. And we're like, oh, we need to do this. We got condoms in every goddamn liquor store, every club, at the bathroom stalls, every gas station. So the shit is out there. It ain't like that it ain't out there. You can pick up condoms any goddamn way. So just like I say, motherfucker, you boycott, and you really don't know what the fuck you're boycotting for. Then you want to listen to ignorant motherfuckers like Bette Midler, right? Probably ain't had dick since dick had her, right? But that's who y'all want to listen to. So we gonna say like, oh, we gonna follow behind her, right? Know what the fuck is already out there. Know that there's already stuff in place where that will actually really prevent you from actually really being in a predicament where that you feel like you gotta either abort the child or put the child up for adoption. Don't put yourself in a situation like that in the first damn place. And just like say, state courts, regardless of state, won't have to go to such extreme measures. And then, like I said, I saw that bullshit when somebody put up there on Facebook talking about, well, Texas is either last or next to last in child care. All right. But then again, I'm like this. Well, who the fuck fault is that? I'll wait. Who the fuck fault is that? So, so again, all of this, just like I say, motherfucker, and I did a show like this, I want to say about a year ago, maybe even 2 years ago. Motherfucking women was bitching in. Tell me, oh, can't nobody tell me what to do with my body. Somebody might need to tell you what the fuck to do with your body. Either that, or like what I said, like I said earlier, like what I said a while back. Mama ain't teaching you a damn thing, right? Your daddy ain't around 9 times out of 10, because he probably found out what type of fucked up person that your mama is, right? So he left. Now it's just you and your mama. And so, so all what I'm saying is that one, put like this, ain't nobody there to teach the younger generation any goddamn thing, right? It's just like what I said in the show yesterday with the whole Lil Nas character, Lil Nas X, whatever the fuck he called himself. I said then, anything from 1983 going backwards, then you're pretty good. You're pretty good. Anything from 1983 going forward, then yeah, we gonna 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get looked at kind of crazy. Now, not to say that everybody that was born from the years 1983 up until now, not to say that they're all fucked up, but it's just for the simple fact that, let's just say that a lot of y'all in that time frame, a lot of y'all are suspect. And then who's to say somebody was probably saying the exact same shit about my generation, right? They probably were saying, hey, look, anything from 1940 on back, you good. Anything from, say, 1950 up until, let's say, 1990, yeah, we're going to look at you and look crazy. So like I say, so the cycle never stops. It's always, listen, it's always going to be there. But all what I'm trying to tell y'all is this. Don't sit up here and bitch because the state that made a law, and because you don't know your body like the fuck you should know your body, then I'm like, shit, that's your own damn fault. And it's just for the simple fact, it's shit out there for you. Birth control, all that stuff is out there for you, right? This shit, be glad I ain't the goddamn governor of Texas, right? I'm like, abortion? Hell no. Put like this, you don't want no damn kids, don't have no sex until you know you good and goddamn ready. Or carry your ass to the damn drugstore, get you some condoms, or get you some birth control pills, and call it a motherfucking day. So hell, just like I said, hell, they should have did it after 30 days. So, but again, don't sit up there, because I'm just telling you right now, if you have sex, because, and see, that's another thing too. I'm not even gonna say the younger generation. I'm just saying a lot of people right today, they really don't know. They really don't. They either know or they don't give a damn about the real true meaning of sex. People don't have sex no more. It's just a lot of fucking going around now, right? With no meaning. You go to the club, you get fucked up, you run into somebody, you smash, and then all what it is, all what it is nothing more than doggone conversation once you get your motherfucking ass back to work come Monday. That's all what it is, right? Not really taking into consideration the possibilities of what might happen here. Now, if your pull-out game is strong, then hey, I applaud you. But then even then, it's still other shit that you gotta look for, that you gotta be mindful for. Just like what that one comedian said, like little sharks and pussies. Just waiting to bite on the dick. So hey, it is what it is, people. So so just like I said, you know, you gotta look at this. It's just like what I've always said, regardless of subject, right? This every state put laws in place to handle every situation. You don't like it, then say something. Don't wait until the shit didn't happen, then here you come. Or make sure that you see all of the other resources first. See if they actually really being used first before you start bitching, right? Because like I said, I can bet you 9 times out of 10, everybody that was on the courthouse steps with their little bullshit signs, 9 times out of 10, you probably got vaccinated, right? But then you, like I said, but you quickly say, oh, well, the government can't tell me what the fuck to do with my body. Well, guess what? If you went and got the shot, guess what? The government just told you what the fuck you can do with your body. So, like I say, stuff is in place, people. Use the shit that's supposed to be there, and the goddamn state would never get involved. So, really don't know nothing. Really don't know nothing else. I can't put it no simpler than that, people. Right? Keep your goddamn drawers on. Right? Use the motherfucking birth control that's out there. Don't put yourself in the situation where you gotta go on the motherfucking court steps and boycott. And then like I say, Bette Midler, shut the fuck up and color, bitch. Like seriously. But for the most part, you guys really got to look at the state of Texas. They doing the damn thing down there. They done did it. There's like not even a while back, the whole deal with the education. They gonna say, hey, well look, we gonna teach it like this, right? And just like I said, and I did a show on that. A lot of this shit was in the educational system, regardless of state. A lot of this shit ain't nothing but a whole bunch of bullshit ass lies in the first place. So it could be just for the simple fact that the people, the lawmakers in the great state of Texas probably say, hey, guess what? This is bullshit, so we finna take it out. So, like I said, go back and look at the Kennedy files on what Kennedy said about Dr. King. Dr. Martin Luther King. Or I forget what his actual name was before he changed it. Right? Him and his daddy both. So, before you boycott, know what the fuck you're boycotting about. Because you look real stupid out there yesterday. So, with that being said, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell Big Dad, tell Big Bertha, your uncle, your auntie, your grandma, your papa, motherfucker next door across the street by the corner. Paulus Harris, aka the Crazy Uncle. The next time.